Now continue with this part. 心 That's heart. Okay. Next. ，beautiful word. 道 道 means the way. Way. Okay. 正 beautiful word.
正
yeah, means upright. 正 okay. 义 righteous. 义 I already talked about this character.
义
also means righteousness. 行 行 means 行 means walk. Travel, walk. Okay, let's review. 西因心
心
的凹道
道
知恩正
正
义
义
行
行
心道正义行。
心道正义行。
Beautiful. 心道正义行. Our hearts need to follow the way, the truth, the law of the universe, and we walk on the earth upright with righteousness and loyalty. That is always the right mental state for every good human being. Every day when you walk on the earth, your heart carries the way, the law. You know morality. You know moral principles as a human. If you're a cultivator, you know this path that's arranged by your spiritual teacher. You walk on the path arranged by your spiritual teacher every day. That's called the Tao. You're walking, okay? Walking on the way of truth. The path of truth that's arranged by your spiritual teacher. For all human beings, our spiritual teacher is our creator. We all have one greatest teacher who gave us life, who arranged our entire journey, and who always watching over us and making sure that we are doing well. So in our heart, we need to carry that truth. Follow the arrangement of our creator and walk the righteous path. 正义行. Walk the righteous path and with loyalty and dedication to truth and our creator. When we hold these words in our heart, this is nothing. This is nothing. This is one of those distractions in our life. We don't need to be afraid of it. We can look at it, but our heart should not be taken by it. You know, we can look straight into this phenomenon called 色, and you know, we don't even need to view it. Once, if we can do that, we don't even need to avoid it like an enemy. It's just 色, you know, it's nothing. You know, it can be there, and I can look at it and then just continue walk my way. As long as we're not distracted by these kind of things, that kind of forces, and inflated by it, we don't need to have any enemy. We certainly have no enemy in the world, right? So it's different levels of, you know, looking at certain challenges in our life. Not only so, but there are also other distractions, all kinds of forces that come into our way. Lust and the desire, right? And the greed, right? You know, all those evil, you know, ideologies, communism, atheism, evolution theories, and they try to drive us away from the 正道, the righteous way. As long as we have the Tao and the 正义 in our heart, nothing is going to really beat us up. You know what I mean? Yeah. So 心道正义行. very powerful. Initially, as an elementary spiritual practitioner, if you cannot handle the power of soul, run away from it as far as you can. If you are still weak, you see it, you view it as an enemy, you run away from it. But when you truly are mature, like myself, I'm mature. Doesn't matter how handsome a man came to my way, how much money he has, how much power he has, propose to give me whatever love he has. To me, I'm not going to pay attention to it. I'm not going to view him as an enemy, but I'm going to walk my way. Because I already know who I am, why I am here, where I'm going, and how I'm going to get there. So I know with the Tao, the path is righteous and exhibits loyalty and dedication to our true, giver of everything in this universe, our creator.